Now we see the examples in the exercise 6.3. It is the equation of plane passing through point and parallel to the two vectors. Okay, yeah. Example number 9. Find the vector equation. Find the vector equation of plane passing through point A, it is -275, and parallel to vectors (4i cap -j cap plus 3k cap and I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, here we know that to find the equation of plane, we know passing through point and perpendicular vector. Okay, perpendicular vector means normal, but here given that two parallel vectors and the cross product of two parallel vectors, it is a perpendicular. That means the normal of vector, normal to the vector, it is the cross product of these two vectors. Okay, first we take the cross product, that means the normal. Okay, but here we are given the formula for this example. It is r bar dot b bar cross c bar. B bar cross c bar, we can take n bar. Okay, but we can write the formula. It is r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Here it is a bar, a b bar, and it is c bar. Okay, parallel vectors are b bar and c bar. Now here given that plane passing through point it is A -275. That is, we can write A bar is equal to -2i cap plus 7j cap and plus 5k cap. Okay, it is a plane passing through point and plane parallel to vectors. It is a b bar 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, sorry, it is c bar we can take. Okay, it is a b bar and it is c bar. It is a c bar, I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now we know the vector equation of plane passing through point a bar and parallel to the vector b bar and c bar. It is the equation of plane is r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. It is the equation of plane passing through point a bar and parallel to the two vectors b bar and c bar. Now first we find the cross product. Okay, therefore we find it is a b bar cross c bar is equal to I cap j cap, it is a k cap. Okay, we can take cross product. It is a 4 minus 1 and 3, 1 1 1. Therefore I cap into minus 1 minus 4, it is 3, minus 1 minus 3, minus j cap into 4 minus 3, 4 and it is minus 3, and plus k cap into 4 plus 1. It is a determinant 4 and it is plus 1, and therefore it is minus 4 I cap minus j cap and plus 5 k cap. It is a b bar cross c bar, and therefore equation of plane, vector equation of plane is r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. That means equation of plane is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. A bar is a passing through point and n bar is a perpendicular vector to the plane, and perpendicular vector it is a b bar cross c bar. So here only replace n bar by b bar cross c bar. Now we take, therefore r bar dot minus 4 I cap minus j cap and plus 5 k cap is equal to a bar minus 2 I cap plus 7 j cap and plus 5 k cap dot, it is b bar cross c bar, minus 4 I cap minus j cap and plus 5 k cap. Okay, it is a b bar cross c bar. Now we take a dot product. Minus 2 into minus 4, it is a plus 8. 7 into minus, it is a minus 7, and 5, and it is 5 plus 25. And therefore equation of plane r bar dot minus 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap is equal to, see carefully, it is a plus 1, therefore it is a 26. It is the equation of plane r bar dot minus 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap is equal to 26. Okay, here that means it is equation r bar dot n bar is equal to d. Okay, we can write here r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. It is equation of plane, but it is a scalar product. Okay, here it is a any point, variable point, therefore r bar dot n bar is equal to d. Okay, it is the last answer, r bar dot n bar is equal to d, r bar dot n bar is equal to d. Okay, it is sufficient answer. Okay, or we can write also here multiply by minus, therefore here it is 4 I cap plus j cap minus 5 k cap is equal to minus 26. Okay, here you can write this or this. Okay, it is sufficient. R bar dot minus 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap is equal to 26, but you can also write in this form. Okay, r bar dot n bar is equal to d. Okay, like okay. Now we see next example. Next example, find the Cartesian equation of plane r bar is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap plus lambda into I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus mu into I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, here we want to find the Cartesian equation. Okay, here given that the vector equation of plane in a parametric form. Okay, and we want to find the Cartesian equation, and Cartesian equation of plane it is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 and plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. That means we know the direction ratios of the normal to the plane and passing through point. Okay, here first we know the passing through point and the direction ratios of the normal. Direction ratios of the normal, that means components of the normal vector. Okay, here It is a equation of plane in a parametric form. That means r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar plus mu c bar. That means plane passing through point a bar and parallel to b bar and c bar, and then normal to the plane. It is a cross product of b bar and c bar, and cross product of b bar and c bar, it is a b bar cross c bar, it is a normal, and the components of the b bar cross c bar are the direction ratios of normal. Okay, here see, given equation of plane, it is r bar is equal to 5i cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap plus lambda into I cap plus j cap plus k cap and plus mu into I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, see careful. Here we know that parametric vector equation, okay, vector equation of plane in parametric form is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar plus mu c bar, where plane passing through a bar and parallel to b bar and c bar. Okay, and therefore plane passing through point a bar, therefore we can write a bar is equal to 5i cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. It is a bar, it is b bar and c bar. B bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and c bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, here plane passing through point a bar and parallel to b bar cross c bar, and therefore plane perpendicular to b bar cross c bar, and therefore we can write b bar cross c bar. It is I, j, and it is k. 1 1 1 1 minus 2, and it is 3, and therefore I cap into 3 plus 2 minus j cap into 3 minus 1 and plus k cap into minus 2 minus 1. Okay, now b bar cross c bar is equal to 5i cap minus 2j cap. Okay, it is my 2 and it is minus 2 and minus 3k cap. Therefore direction ratios of normal to plane are 5 minus 2 minus 3, 5 minus 2 minus 3, that is A, B and C, 5 minus 2 minus 3, and plane passing through point A, that is x1, y1 and z1. Therefore coordinates of the point A are 5, minus 2 and minus 3. 5, minus 2, minus 3 are the coordinates of the point, and therefore Cartesian equation of plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here it is a, b and c, and it is x1, y1 and z1. Okay, see carefully. A, it is a 5 and x minus 5 plus b, it is a minus 2 into y plus 2. Okay, and it is plus c, it is minus 3, z plus 3 is equal to 0. Now calculate. 5x minus 25, it is minus 2y minus 4 and minus 3z minus 9 is equal to 0, and therefore 5x minus 2y minus 3z, here minus 25 minus 4, it is a minus 29, minus 29 minus 9, it is minus 38 is equal to 0, and it is a Cartesian equation of plane. 5x minus 2y minus 3z minus 8 is equal to 0. Cartesian equation of plane passing through point and parallel to these two vectors. Okay, Cartesian equation. Okay, when we ask the vector equation, then we can write r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Here the question is find the Cartesian equation, so we use this equation and find the coordinates and direction ratios. Okay, when it is asked find the vector equation, then we can write r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Here a bar, b bar and c bar. Okay, see carefully this.